Homeowners, choosing the right floor coating is a big decision, but understanding your options helps. Let's look at the main players. First, there's Polyaspartic. It cures rapidly, so you get your space back fast. It's also highly UV resistant, preventing yellowing in sunny areas like garages. While pricier, it generally needs professional installation. Next, we have Epoxy, a long-standing champion. It's tough, durable, and great for heavy traffic and spills, often seen in industrial spaces. It's usually more budget-friendly up front. However, it takes longer to cure and can yellow with too much sun exposure. But here's the future: lifetime green coatings. These are incredibly durable and environmentally superior. They're non-toxic, VOC-free, cure super fast, resist UV rays, and stand up to wear and hot tires, all while being planet-friendly. It's the best of all worlds. So, while you have options for speed and cost, consider the lasting benefits of an eco-friendly choice. Lifetime green coatings offer unmatched toughness and peace of mind for both your home and the planet.